urban environment project, we have broken down the levels so that a student can see in terms of, well, drawing, for example, and to get a level 5, we've said that a student is using up to 2 types of line, dots, dashes and straight marks to show the shape of buildings. But if they want to achieve a level 6, they must vary the width of these lines. And then onto a level 7, the difference is the intensity of this line must vary too.
In the Urban Environment Project, the students study the work of Frank Auerbach, Michael Andrews, Jock McFadyen and Walter Sickert as they develop their own drawing and painting techniques.
There's the Frank Auerbach table. I've broken it down so that the students can see very clearly what they need to do to achieve a higher level. So they can see that, for example, to get a level 5, they need to be using 2 different tones of a particular colour. But to get a level 6, we're expected to broaden that range of tones. Also, for the level 6, you understand how and when to vary texture. You can see that's what you need to do to get a level 6. What do you need to do to get a level 7?
You have to use brush strokes in an appropriate way to show different features, not just use the brush strokes.
Do check this. Use this as a checklist, please. It's clearly written down for them. They've got almost like a checklist in their sketchbooks.
The levels on the book to refer to when I'm painting. And then if you look at it, and then you can help, and then it helps me to see what I need to improve to get the higher level.
I felt they did sit up and take more notice when we went through it. They thought, oh, well, now I know what I need to do to go up a level, because they are ambitious, they are motivated. So I think it does motivate them.
I need to vary my brush strokes more, because at the moment I've only got like one definite type of brush stroke. So I've added more bold colours to bring the closer shapes out more, and the further away shapes are lighter because they're in the distance.
Open your sketchbooks at the spider assessment, all right? It's a spider diagram with 8 legs, each leg having a particular question which applies to all schemes of work, so we use it with every project. And about halfway through, we get students to apply it to their classwork. What media and processes have we been using? What did we do to start with?
We've started with charcoal, and we've moved on to the powder paints.
Number 2 then, Laura. Where and how have you researched your project?
We used the school network to find the photos, and on the internet as well for our homework.
Photos of what?
Urban landscapes.
They've got time to address what they're looking at and do something about their work so that they can raise their achievement.
We evaluate it ourselves with the spider diagram, and then the teacher goes over it and adds in what improvements you can make, and then we set ourselves targets of what we can improve.
At St Michael's, Year 9 students are well versed in assessing their classmates' work, as well as their own.
Thickness of lines, as she went back, it got smaller and smaller and got more faint there, and there's duller colour used than there. And we thought to improve it, she could define the buildings and make that soften the tones and make it more blurry.
We assess the students' work, the students assess their own work, and that they assess the work with their peers. And all of these contribute to allowing a student to understand how they can improve their work.
I don't really like this one.
No, it doesn't have a very good perspective.
That one's good though. I like the colour that she's used for the sky and how it works with the lamppost and the church.
Yeah.
It needs more intensity as you're getting closer to the foreground.